MIT, of course, a very prestigious university in the United States. We work a lot with corporations and organizations around the world. I work within corporate relations, and we have two flagship programs. One of them is the Industrial Liaison Program, which you see ILP everywhere, in which we work with over 230 companies worldwide, very different industries, or organizations in this case. We have a second group that's called the MIT Startup Exchange, in which we catalog MIT-related startups. There's about 1,000 of them at this point, who are ready to work with our industry partners or our organization partners in different ways. Dubai Police is a member of the organization, and it's part of their membership and us working with them that's brought us here today. What we're hoping to do is obviously interact more with industry and organizations in other parts of the world, larger variety of companies that are joining. So we're always looking for companies that are interested in trying to engage in the MIT ecosystem. They can do it on their own, but what we do in corporate relations is we provide this program to really facilitate that. People, individuals who work at MIT, who can be their eyes and ears on campus, and they can work with them in order to understand the particular areas that they're interested in and make recommendations and introductions to the various parts of MIT. So from a growth perspective, what we're really looking is more members that are interested in participating in our program and how we build that ecosystem. One of the advantages of working with the Dubai Police is that they've sponsored our participation here in the conference. And we're working with the conference in two different ways. One is we've brought MIT faculty here to be able to present certain topics that are of particular interest to this audience. We're also brought 5 MIT-affiliated startups that are with us here in the booth. And that has provided an opportunity both for the startups themselves to have international exposure, not just here to support Dubai Police, but to be able to have a chance to meet other organizations from across the world that are here as part of this. We select those startups based on the theme of the conference. And so they were actually selected out of a group of 20 that applied to work with Dubai Police on this by Dubai Police in order to be here. Our advantage here is not only are we supporting our member in giving interactions with faculty and startups, but on their behalf, they're sponsoring us to be here to show really the advantages of this kind of an operation, how they can work with the Industrial Liaison Program, and potentially how other organizations that are here visiting could do that as well, either companies or other police or security organizations. Just noting the atmosphere of the show, this is a huge show. The level of professionalism, the quality of the displays that I've seen just walking around very briefly is phenomenal. The traffic on the morning of the first day has been amazing as well. Often that's a slow start. And if this is a slow start, I'm very excited to see as the energy level progresses over the rest of the week.